Hi, in this video today you will learn how to properly assemble, operate, disassemble, and clean the Hobart HCM 450 cutter mixer. Before operating any piece of equipment, it is always important to thoroughly read the user manual. The HCM 450 cutter mixer is used by many institutions to create large quantities of food. It can be used to cut, mix, or blend large amounts of food efficiently with ease. Some foods that can be made in the HCM include chicken salad, salsa, smoothies, and meatloaf. Using the dough blade allows you to make large batches of pizza dough and other yeast doughs with ease. The HCM holds up to 45 quarts, allowing it to be used in large-scale facilities such as hospitals. When deciding to use the HCM, the facility must consider the difficulty associated with cleaning the HCM versus the labor and time saved by using it. The lock to hold ensures safety when in use, when the tilt function allows the user to reduce stress on the body by making the removal of the finished product easier, while the wheels on the bottom allow the user to easily move the HCM.
First, make sure the HCM is unplugged. Unlatch the lid's lock handle, open the lid, and carefully insert the blade. Keep in mind that the blade is very sharp and should be handled with great care. The blade screws into the middle of the bowl and is secured by the hand knob, which is then screwed on top. Make sure the hand knob is fully turned and tightly sealed. Close the lid and make sure the handle is locked into place. The HCM will not work unless it is locked properly. Now you're ready to operate the machine.
To use the HCM, first plug it in. The HCM requires 480 volts, which is extremely high. At Cal Poly, a separate brake line is required due to the high voltage. Before plugging the machine in, make sure that the brake line is off, then plug in the HCM. After that, the line can be turned back on. At the side of the machine, there is a start and stop button and a lever ranging from 1 through 5 that controls the speed of the blade. There is also a jog and run switch allowing the blade to move at different rhythms. When in jog, the blade pulses on and off, whereas the run function allows the blade to run continuously. Additionally, there is a timer on the side of the machine, allowing you to step aside while the mixer is running for a certain amount of time. Insert the food product you wish to use in the HCM. To start the machine, select either the run or jog function on the lowest speed and press the start button. As appropriate, increase the speed if desired. Please keep in mind the product you are making when choosing the speed. The food can be viewed through the clear lid as it is being chopped. The baffle blade attached to the lid allows the food to be scraped from the sides of the bowl to ensure even and consistent pieces throughout. The baffle blade is operated by turning the handle on top of the lid slowly, either when the blade is running or turned off. When the desired consistency is reached, use the stop button to turn the HCM off. Before opening the lid, make sure the blade has stopped spinning.
The food can be removed by scooping out or using the tilt function. The lip on the side of the bowl makes pouring the food out easier, limiting any food from dripping along the side of the bowl. To use the tilt function, pull the tilt handle down. When tilting, tilt slowly and with caution, avoiding any of the product from spilling out unintentionally. There's a small rubber bumper near the motor to prevent any damage when returning the bowl upright. Disassembly. Before unplugging and disassembling, turn the breaker off. Unplug the cord. Unlatch the lock handle, unscrew the hand knob, and carefully lift out the blade. The baffle blade should be removed for cleaning as well.
Cleaning. The bowl cannot be removed and must be washed in place. After removing the attachments, scrape the sides of the bowl with a rubber scraper to remove any remaining food particles. Pour 1 gallon of hot water with detergent. Using a cloth towel, wash the bowl and the lid. Tilt the bowl to pour the water down the drain. Return the bowl upright and rinse with 1 gallon of hot water without detergent. Rinse and make sure all detergent and food particles are removed. Tilt to pour out the water, wipe all sides, dry with a clean, dry towel. The blade and baffle are dishwasher safe and is recommended to be washed in a dishwasher for safety. If not available, a 3-compartment sink with wash, rinse, and sanitized compartments should be used. When cleaning the blade, Kevlar gloves should be worn for protection. Be sure to never leave any sharp blades submerged in sink, as someone reaching into the water may cut themselves in the hidden blade.
That is the end of our training video. Here are 6 takeaway points to remember when using the HCM. 1. Make sure the brake line is off before plugging and unplugging. 2. Make sure the tilt handle is up while in use. 3. The HCM can either be operated jogging or running. 4. Know the appropriate speed for the product being used. 5. Make sure to turn off the machine and that the blade has stopped spinning before opening the lid. And 6. The blade is very sharp, so be mindful when handling it. When washing in a 3-compartment sink, make sure to wear Kevlar gloves for protection. Safety first and happy cooking!